Okay, picked up this, or actually got this given to me as a birthday gift, and it is an UltraSonic Cleaner. This one is by Vivor, and we're going to see how it does. I got this to clean my spray guns out mainly, and I think it cleans a lot of other things. It can clean jewelry and dentures, and I guess whatever else you think you can put in there. But I have a spray gun here that has lots of junk and buildup all over it, so I'm going to break this bad boy down and let's see if we can make it nice and clean and fresh and new looking again. And I forgot to mention, I already have mixed up the solution here. I am using Simple Green today, and I have just diluted it about 50-50 with water. So we will see how it goes. Okay, so here we are. We are very close to getting to our goal temperature. So, and this is taking a little while, so I'm just going to go ahead and put this stuff in there. Let's see what happens. Got the gun broken apart here, so I'll drop it down in there. One thing I did do, I have this little gasket here, and I decided to pull it off and not put it in. So let's turn it on, let's see what happens. Well, it got on. Yeah, it looks like it's doing something. So I will bring you back in 20 minutes and let's see what happens. Okay, so we just finished up here, and let's see what we got. So the water looks about the same. So I'm gonna back it up here, and let's pull these out. How hot is that? Oh, it's not too bad. Okay. So we can kind of see on the gun here where a lot of this is look at that. I mean, kind of coming off. Let's dip this up here. Let's see. And this would be the first time this gun has ever been cleaned like this. And so it might need another wash through, but I think if you did this on a regular basis, it would keep it looking pretty clean and pretty good. Let's just see what we can do here. Alright, I changed my plan here a little bit, and I went and got a green Scotch-Brite pad, and I've dipped it in the solution, and I think this will be better at getting down in some of those little hard to reach areas here. I really feel like if you did this on a regular basis, this is not going to take this much time. So, but you can see that side there that I got to very quickly and how it is. I mean, it made a big difference. I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to go back and put it in again, because this is the first time, and I probably didn't have it as hot as it should have been. I was a little nervous about it, I don't know, melting the gun away or something. So let's come back and let's try it again. So here we are, and I have run this thing again and given it a good cleaning and rinse down, and it's not brand new, but way better than before. So, UltraSonic Cleaner, yeah, gets 2 thumbs up. Here is a quick little example because I have 2 of these guns. That one, nothing has been done. These 2 were about in the same condition, so you can see major difference.